What's up, guys? It's Sutek. It's September 19th, 2017, and I wanted to share this awesome Leonardo robot with you guys. Now, I've been moving totally away from all investment platforms. I made that pretty much clear in my previous videos. So I've decided to purchase a bot, and I synced it up with Bittrex. Now, I would have done it with Poloniex. However, Poloniex is not responding to any of my emails. They're not responding to support tickets. So they're taking forever to verify me, and I decided to, I'm not going to wait forever. So I went with Bittrex. I was already signed up to Bittrex, and I already had some money in there. So it's kind of no-brainer. I just wanted to go with Poloniex because I know they have more volume. But, if they don't want me to sign up, then, that's on them. But anyway, so I started out with Ethereum and Bitcoin and BCC and Bitcoin pairs. Now, if you're not familiar with trading, this is going to be a bit confusing. But I think this is a very simple and easy to follow GUI that they've created with this bot. Now you can look at all the different parameters, the time frames, 6 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 12 hours, 1 day, 3 days, so on and so forth. They have two different kinds of strategies: margin maker, static ping pong. Margin maker gives you these margins to work within, so you can sell anywhere up here. This is just my example. You can actually manipulate these margins so they're bigger, but I'll sell anywhere up here as opposed to a static ping pong, which is going to be at one price and one price only. So this gives all this wiggle room. And here's all the buy wiggle room down here. And so you can work within all this area down here and up here. And this is basically your profits right here. So on this current setting for this Ethereum Bitcoin trade, effective gain is 0.27%, which is including, the trading fees and all that. So that's what I'll be making from this trade. Now, there are definitely more profitable pairs out there, so that's why you have to research all the pairs and see, what you can make. And I'm using the same type of strategy that Forex would use, which is only use about 2%. I'm not as conservative, so I have about 15% of my Ethereum in there that I'm playing with. So it's 0.05101 Ethereum. So that's what I'm using to trade with. And once I kind of get the hang of all the parameters on this GUI software, then I'll start moving to other pairs. But this is what I'm starting with right now, just to get my feet wet. I also have Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash set up here. I actually have Bitcoin Cash, but at the same time, it's not really enough to trade. But at least I don't think so. 0.01% or 0.0159 Bitcoin Cash, excuse me. But the volume is crazy today, so here's a day to trade Bitcoin Cash. It's up by 8%. Actually, I might actually do this. As a matter of fact, since we're up here, I might actually do a sell order, and then I'll just go all in with my Bitcoin Cash, and let's go. So I'm not working with much, so there's really no problem. It's like $7 to $8. I think the trade executed already, as a matter of fact. Yeah, the trade executed. So now I'm gonna buy. It's actually gonna buy back down here. Back at 1.12466, right down here. So as soon as a slight sell-off happens, it's gonna pick up some more. There's a lot of volume today, so all the orders are going quick. And now I see that Ethereum has dipped a bit, so I'm gonna revise my parameters for that. I'm gonna cancel my limit sell, and let's see. Do I want to do 1 hour? Let's look at the total day. So you can see the segments, all these little segments here are when it refreshes the orders. So your order is on the timer, and you can kind of, it refreshes every few minutes or so, and then you can see exactly where the order is supposed to be on the chart. So anyway, yeah, this video is running longer than I expected it because I'm getting kind of lost in the charts here, but you kind of get an idea of how this works, and it's pretty awesome. And it's only $90. That's the best part. So you can run multiple pairs. You know, a lot of other bots limit how many pairs you can run, how many markets you can run in. This is a very rudimentary bot. It's very simple. You know, you have 2 ways to trade, but it's a great starter bot. This is what you want to be doing if you have no idea what's going on. This is what you want to do. This is the bot for you. And it's only $90. And you can pay it in Bitcoin. And so it's just very, very simple. You can also manually trade. So if you just want to bypass these 2 strategies and you see a big dip, like say for example there's a huge sell-off and it's down 30%, and you want to manually trade to buy on the 30% dip, then you can just buy on the 30% dip, and on the way up you can kind of keep an eye on it. If there's a horizontal trading pattern, then you can, you know, use the ping pong or the margin, and you can make a profit that way. So there's really a lot you can do, and it is simple. Like I said, it's rudimentary, but there's a great amount of leeway that you're allowed to work with here. So I recommend it. If you guys want to buy this bot, you have $90. I suggest, if you have about $250, what I recommend is you buy this bot and then you buy the Chart Guys trading class, which is $150. So that's $240. Very well spent. I mean, you really can't go wrong. But if you decide to buy this bot, Leonardo Bot, when you go to the referral screen, the referral screen here, they'll ask you for a referral email. Please put in my email as a referral. I appreciate it. SuTechTheSteamroller@gmail.com. And that way, you know, I get a little bit more money to play with, and you could do the same. Once you guys sign up and you learn how to use it, you could recommend novice friends that want to learn how to trade this. You can just recommend them as well. So, you know, each one teach one. And I hope you guys have great success with the bot if you decide to sign up. Also, go to my website, SuTechCrypto.com. I have a special section of the forum just dedicated to trading, whether it's manually trading, Gunbot, Leonardo, Hasbot, or anything else that is available. And it's a private group, so you have to sign up to actually read the forum. So, yeah, that's that, guys. Have a great day. Take care. Peace.